It's still picking out. It's still picking out. It's still picking out. It's still picking out. Yeah, as you can see, it's now saving the data of the profiles that you've highlighted, those that have email addresses, right? But here's the thing. So you may actually scrape data from here and you think that this is the end of the story. But when you look below this page, right, there are other pages that you need to go and scrape data from. So most times you'll discover that you're selecting 22 out of 142 results. So you need to go page by page to scrape the data. I hope that makes sense. So I'm just giving an example of this, of how this would work in the event that you're interested in using it. So when you click on view, it will obviously ask you for your logins and password. Just put in, oh, mine is already generated. So I just click there to sign in. And then you should be able to see a dashboard that has the leads that you've generated. Export those to Excel and then use an email automation to reach out to them. Hope that makes sense. Let me just open my account here. There we go. So you're going to see something like this. Yeah, so you're going to see something like this, right? And this is where you come to export the data that you've got. So go try this out. Think of look, this is just amazing stuff. Look, you have a contact, you have an email address,